Okay guys, you can see I was about to change my faucet on my sink here and noticed that this needed to be resealed. I went ahead and knocked it down. I scraped all the old sealant off. I'm going to use this Caulk Gun Kit set that I got in to fix this thing up. There's all kinds of different tools that I can use to make sure this thing turns out real clean and real nice. You can see all the different kind of degrees. And you got your 10, 16, 90. Got some corners, smaller corners. Got your putty knife. The gun, of course. This gun is really nice. It's kind of heavy, which is probably a good thing. Which means the string's real strong on it. This turns real nice. So let's pop this open and get this thing sealed. Just pushing it through here with ease. So there we go. It's all caulked up. Use a couple of tools to get it all clean. So if you need a nice little Caulk Gun Kit, go ahead and grab this one because it's everything you need. I'm Jace. I'll see you next time.